It's the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for Tuesday, the 23rd of May. I'm Michael Groff. The normal high temperature for today, 97 degrees, will be nearly 10 degrees above that today and tomorrow. Then some moderation in the heat is expected later this week and this weekend. Let's talk about it as we look outside this morning at 6:15 a.m. Sunny skies in the valley right now, and it is warm out there to start the day. 79 degrees at Sky Harbor, dew point at 34, humidity 20%. The winds are light, the barometer is steady. Temperatures across the area right now, near 80 degrees in the urban core, most of the metro in the 70s right now. Clear skies here across much of the southwest. The watch warning map is very quiet. Some air quality issues here in Maricopa and Pinal counties. Those are excessive heat warnings in parts of southwest Arizona and southeast California, to include places like Yuma and Imperial, where temperatures are expected to reach the 110-degree mark. Meanwhile, in the southeast states, flash flood watches for Alabama, Georgia, the Carolinas, and Virginia. On the convective outlook, a slight risk of severe storms today in parts of South Texas, to include Brownsville, Laredo, Corpus Christi, San Antonio, and Austin. Another slight risk zone in sections of South Georgia and South Carolina, with the marginal risk throughout much of the Gulf Coast, and a little zone there in parts of Illinois today as well. As far as our weather goes, we'll talk about that right now. Here's the models. We'll look at the GFS. Here's the 06Z run, valid at 5 o'clock Mountain Standard Time today. High pressure in control here across the southwest. Meanwhile, a deep trough in the central and eastern parts of the country. But for us, sunny skies. It's a dry air mass, high around 105 this afternoon. Tonight, clear, mild, lows in the 70s to near 80. Tomorrow, we'll see some breezes picking up in southeast California, southwest Arizona. In fact, locally windy out that way. Maybe some blowing dust late in the afternoon and toward the evening tomorrow there. High temperatures, 106 is what the GFS has. The GFS Ensemble says 107 here tomorrow. Our record high is 109. I think that's safe. But the record high in Yuma is 109, and I think they might pass the 110-degree mark out that way. So very hot temperatures will continue. On Thursday, trough continues to develop in the Pacific Northwest, and windy conditions will continue as the pressure gradient tightens here in the southwest. In the valley, I think south to southwesterly winds will gust 20 to 30 miles per hour at times. Could be some localized blowing dust. Better chances of blowing dust in southwest Arizona, southeast California. We'll see some cooling temperatures, cooling in quotes, highs in the low to mid 90s on Thursday. Friday, we should be in the low 90s. The sky's sunny. Saturday, sunny skies, low 90s. Sunday, we'll see that trough beginning to exit the western states. Still some rain in the central and northern Rockies. Will stay dry, though. Sunny skies, mid and upper 90s. On Monday, we'll be in the upper 90s to near 100 degrees. That's Memorial Day. So it'll still be very warm out there, but pretty typical for this time of year. Here's a week from today, Tuesday, the 30th of May. High pressure in control. A warming trend continues, about 102 for the high. Sunny skies on Wednesday, the 31st of May, with a high around 102 to 104. And then this is the end of the forecast period, the start of meteorological summer. Thursday, June 1st. Oh boy, and it's going to be a warm one. Highs right around 102 to 105. With lows mid-70s to near 80 degrees. And looking at the temperatures off the GFS Ensemble through the period, well, other than that little dip later this week and this weekend, the long hot summer, here it is. Highs every day, 100 to 105, lows in the 70s, and it's just going to get warmer from here. And that'll do it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. Our next video back here tomorrow morning. Thank you so much for watching as always. If you like our videos, subscribe to us. That way, every time we post a brand new video, you'll get the notifications. Have yourselves a great Tuesday, everybody.